One of our subscribers has asked, like, cooking food on fire is better or cooking food is on induction appliances better? Because these days with modern technology more induction gases are coming, so their temperature can be maintained, and this kind of induction heating is too much in fashion. We are very grateful to our that subscriber because it's a wonderful question, and I'm sure this question is in many people's mind. This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. According to Ayurveda scriptures, fire is not considered as just a heating element. Fire is considered as energy. It's a live force which make your food alive. It is a kind of transformation process, and in Ayurveda fire is considered as one of the 5 elements. Like, there are 5 elements, Panch Mahabhut, that is known as ether, air, fire, water and earth. So one of the elements that is mentioned in Ayurveda is fire element, and as we know, these Panch Mahabhuts are alive. In Ayurveda, from the principle of 5 elements or Panch Bhautik principle, everything is made of 5 elements, and these 5 elements is alive, it's considered as alive. So this fire, it is also considered as alive, and this modern stove, which is known as induction, in the time of Ayurveda, when Ayurveda has been written, no description about these modern stoves has been described, because those days stoves were not in fashion, not in use, and science was not so advanced that they can discover certain instruments. So exactly stove is replacement of fire or not, I can't say it, I can't comment over it, but definitely cooking on induction is better than eating the old food or refrigerator food or the food that is packed many months back, that is frozen food. Definitely induction is better option than that, at least it's helping in cooking something fresh. But if you are asking specifically that food should be cooked on induction or on fire, then according to Ayurveda it's been recommended on fire. There are certain reasons for that, so let's go through those reasons. In Ayurveda, fire is considered as sacred, and it's been said like fire is nourishing, transforming and purifying properties to it. Natural sources of fire like cow dung, wood, open flames are considered as the most sattvic, and they are very ideal for cooking and herbal preparations. According to Ayurveda, Agni, that is known as fire, it is not just heat, but it is an energy that transforms food into medicinal properties, influencing the effect of food over body and doshas. It's been written in Sushruta Samhita that fire is considered as life, and it is a form of energy, and it infuses prana, that is life energy, to your food and medicine. Maybe from this knowledge we can see that the electromagnetic waves that are generated with induction, they are lacking in Agni Tattva, that is fire element, that is recognized by Ayurveda. Sometimes in inductions rapid heating happens, which will destroy the qualities of the food and not let it allow the proper transformation, that is known as Agni Sanskara in Ayurveda. Because in fire element there is a guna, guna means quality, that is known as tejas, but in induction, when you are cooking on induction, that guna, that quality that is known as tejas, that is missing. In various kind of Ayurveda texts it's been written, food that has been cooked on properly on Agni, that is known as fire, it enhances the ojas, which is responsible for immunity of the body. But definitely if you have gone for some camping, or there is no other option, or you are doing some job, or you are a student where fire can't be made, many people don't have gas cylinders or gas, petroleum gas is also considered as live. If it is not there, and if you want to eat home cooked food, it's better to cook on induction rather than eating outside food or packed food or tin canned food. Definitely it's better than that. But if you ask in comparison to fire, fire is more better as compared to induction from Ayurveda perspective, the energy system, or even if you see from yoga perspective also, they also consider fire element as live element, so they also support the same way as Ayurveda supports cooking on fire. It is more nourishing and more better for your health. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.